We're making sausage and gravy this morning, but I'm going to be using water because we're out of milk. But what we do, or what we like, is I'll make some scrambled eggs here in a minute, fluffy scrambled eggs, and then I dump it in when everything's done and stir it in real good. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Show them the biscuits.
Here's our biscuits.
I want to add the water to this. And now we're going to cook it down till it thickens up. And we'll bring it back when it's thick.
Do you have anything you wish to say?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good night. Sleep well. Scoot your booty.
Eggs have been added.
Well, I normally scramble them and then throw them in here, but this time I didn't, since we're using water. The water will kind of cook them down with it. But if we use milk, I scramble them and then we throw them in on top when everything's done.
This is an experiment.
I guess you could say that.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll be back when it's all done. Here's the gravy and there's the biscuits.
It be done.